Hi you guys, it's Karina. So I am back with another video tutorial for you guys on a new palm leaf style. So I have showed you, I want to say like 4 or 5 palm leaf styles already, showing you, and all of these guys require no template, which is the nice thing. All you need pretty much are scissors, and if you want to get those pretty score lines, then I would recommend a score board, but honestly that is optional, and if you don't know what that is, I will show you in a minute what that looks like, but that is an absolute option. But yeah, so today I'm going to show you how to make these round palm leaf styles. Honestly, super simple, super cute, and again, requires no template whatsoever. So you are going to need a couple of things. So let me go ahead and show you guys what you guys will need. All right, you guys, so first thing is first, this is what I will be using for scoring my palms, because if you can see, they're kind of evenly scored. I personally like that look, which is why I tend to score all my palms. It is a little bit more tedious, more work, but I just like the outcome of them. So I got this a long time ago, guys, from Michaels. I don't believe it. I don't think they have it anymore. I want to say it was from the brand Recollections, but I'm telling you, this was like 5-6 years ago. But you can definitely find these at any craft store. I've seen them at Michaels. I've seen them at Walmart. I've seen them on Amazon. Actually, I did order another one from Amazon. Oh gosh, who was it from? It's on my Amazon storefront. Spellbinders? Oh my gosh, I don't remember, but actually I gave that one to my mom because she does help me with my palm orders for scoring, so I got her that one. Honestly, I need to buy myself a new one because this one is, like, again, it's pretty it's pretty old. But I will have the ones under my, if you're watching this video on my YouTube, I will have them linked. The scoreboard, the other one that I bought that my mom uses, which I also absolutely love. So yeah, you're going to need one of those. You're going to need something to score with. Now this one did come with a knife to score. I'll be honest, I really didn't like it. So I am using my McGill tool, and I am using the 3mm one. This does come in a set of 4. Again, I will have that linked on my YouTube channel because I know it's something you guys ask me all the time. What do I use? Honestly, I use these a lot, and if you're a paper crafter, I definitely recommend getting these set of tools because, again, I use them a lot. So I will have that linked for you also below on my YouTube for my Amazon storefront. You are going to need cardstock. Now, because I do want a 12 by 12, I wanted a slightly larger. So this one here is, I did use an 8 by 11, so your typical cardstock. And then this one, as you can see, is slightly larger. I did use a 12 by 12. So definitely you can see the size difference. So I want another large one, so I will be using this paper from Recollections from Michaels, and I'm going to be using one of these green shades. I don't know which one yet, but it is 12 by 12. Michaels has been stepping up their game, you guys, with cardstock. They really have with their paper packs. I have been very, very impressed, and I like these because the colors are more neutral. They're not, you know, more earthy, nothing too crazy, which I absolutely love. So I will be using this, and I want to say they're 65-pound weight. Does it say what it is? No, it does not. Oh, and by the way, the name of it is Neutral over here if you're interested in this. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what weight this is because it doesn't say, but I want to say it's 65-pound weight, guys, because it feels very similar to all the other cardstock from Recollections, which is 65 pounds. You will also be needing some scissors. You guys know I am a huge fan of Westcott scissors, especially their Carbo Titanium. Highly recommend. So I will be using their scissor, and I will also be using their glue gun. It is their cordless glue gun. I just started using them. I've been messing around with them. I will let you guys know in later future videos how I like it. So far, so good. Again, I don't want to give my review on it yet because you guys know I've been using Sherbon for a very long time, but it's always nice to try something different, and they've been nice enough to send this to me so I can try it out. So, but again, I will be sharing, guys, my honest opinion of what I think of it. So I've been only using it for a couple of times, so I don't feel like I can give you guys an honest review yet on how how I like it. Sorry, my little one's here. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, sorry. Even though daddy's on duty, you know, they always want mom. All right, so pretty much that is all you guys need as materials wise. Now, like I said, the scoreboard is optional, guys. You don't need this. If you don't have it, you can definitely still make these palms without it. So let me go ahead and pick out a color. I think I'm going to go with this color right here. So I am going, and so this definitely, I want to say it's linen. Does it say it's linen? The texture of it, I want to say it's linen, and it has that kind of linen feel to it. It does have a texture to it. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? There's definitely texture to it, but honestly, I don't mind it, especially for paper palms. So the first thing you're going to do, guys, is you're going to fold your paper in half. You can do cardstock. You can do definitely text weight. 80 pound, I would say, works. Anything other than that, because I've actually made palms using like 100-pound weight. Oh God, no, guys. At least for me, it was too hard because when it comes to the folding, so I definitely recommend, you know, lighter, some like around the 65-pound range. I think it's absolutely perfect, or text weight. But anything heavier than that, it honestly gets a little bit harder. So you're going to get your scissors. Oh my gosh, can I speak? Your scissors. And so pretty much, guys, what you're trying to do is you're trying to shape, obviously, like a round shape. So the other ones, so it's very similar to the other palm style that I have showed you, where you cut it, but we kind of do it at a point to form the pointy palm, just like this. So this tutorial is here on my YouTube channel, guys, if you're interested in that one. So pretty much you're doing the same thing, but this time we just want it round. And honestly, don't worry about doesn't have to be perfect. So there you go. We have that. All right, you guys, so as you can see, we have that round shape is what we want. We don't want it too pointy at the top. So now all we're going to do is score. So again, this is an option. If you don't have a scoreboard, don't worry about it. So pretty much how I start with the scoreboard, guys, is I find a number. So I'm going to go on the number 5. I don't know why. I don't know. I always do. So I'm going to line up that center line. And I'm just going to make sure that my little stylus is right there on the line. Because let me tell you, these lines can play tricks on you. And voila, as you can see, I already scored it. So now I am going to count for each line 4. So whenever I work with 12 by 12 paper, guys, when I am scoring, I am doing every 4th line. When I am doing the 8.5 by 11, I am scoring every 3 lines. Okay, so I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So to the half point, go down and score. Next one is going to be on the 4 and score. And I'm going to go next one and score. So you get the idea, right? So let me go ahead and finish this up and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so as you can see, she's all scored. So now what we're going to do is just fold accordion style back and forth. See, and this is why I do the creases, just because I know where I am folding. And honestly, I mean, I think it's a little bit easier, but again, totally optional. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish folding this and I will be right back. All right, guys, so here she is folded. So save your scraps for sure, especially when you're doing the 12 by 12. So now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and cut a strip. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so here is open. So the white part that you see underneath here is where we are going to be making here the little stem part. So let me go ahead and refold this. Okay, so you don't want to do it the other way because it's not going to work. I know when I first started doing this, I'm like, oh no, that's not, that's not circular. As you can see, it's more like a square part. Yeah, no, you got to fold. So when you do it, you want to do this part down here, the wider part, okay? So you are just going to pinch just like this. So as you can see, we have that round shape. So then get your strip. This is probably too long, so I'm actually going to cut her in half. Now you can definitely use your scoreboard if you want it more straight, because let's face it, right now I did cut it a little funky. Let me fix it a little. All right, so get your glue gun. Add your glue. Add glue there. Turn. Add another bit of glue. If you want this strip to be a different color, you certainly can. I'm going to give it a little snip. Going to add glue. And voila, she's all done. So that's, again, if you want that round look. So let me go ahead now and show you with an 8.5 and 11, because obviously with the 8.5 and 11, your paper is not, you know, more of a square. It's more of a rectangular shape. So let me just show you guys how to do the 8.5, 11 to cut it out. All right, so here is 8.5 by 11. So this is 65-pound weight cardstock. And actually, no, I was folding it wrong. Do it the hamburger way. So if you don't know, I used to be a teacher. So whenever I had my children fold paper, the long way was hot dog way. And then this way was hamburger way. So we need to fold it this way. Okay, just like that. Very important. And then you are going to, again, just round it out. Just like that. And voila. She is all done. So we will be doing the same thing where we will be scoring. So let me go ahead and do that for you guys right now. All right, you guys, so here she is all scored. So now we are just going to repeat where we are going to fold accordion style. So let me go ahead and speed this part up for you guys. All right, you guys, so you can see I was struggling there. Towards the end, it gets a little harder. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so here is my scored palm. So find your wire part, which is down here. So go ahead and refold her. Okay, so make sure that you have a piece cut out to do the wrapping. So the only thing with this one, remember on the 12 by 12, I had a little bit of paper extra. So I was able, well, with the 8.5 by 11, you honestly, let me show you, don't really have enough to cut out a piece of paper to wrap it around. So definitely you're gonna have to use another sheet of paper. Just FYI. So go ahead and add your glue. Place your strip. And more glue in the back. careful with those fingers because this is definitely hot. Ow. I'll go ahead and snip this. Going to add, and voila, you guys, you are all done. Super simple, super easy. So I hope you found that helpful. Like, aren't they cute? So simple. So I hope you found that helpful. Again, so you can follow me at Instagram here at Arielise Designs. I'm always sharing tips with you guys. I do have another palm leaf style. I have her right here. Let me show you that I will be sharing with you guys how to make as well. I'll be showing you guys how to make these. Again, super easy. You guys, I've been into palms. I don't know why. I just have. They're so cute. So stay tuned for that video tutorial for that style. And yeah, if you're interested in any of my templates, please visit www.arielelisedesigns.com. And you can find all my templates there. Don't go to here's my little thing. So I also have Etsy, guys, and Etsy does have a couple of my SVG templates. But if you want hard copy, PDF, and pretty much all my SVGs, they're all on my template website. Usually that's my main site right there, just because it's easier for me to kind of split templates and flower orders and palm orders. So it's more easier for me to have my templates on a separate website. So I'll have my website linked below if you're interested. Again, if you're watching here on YouTube, if you're watching here on Instagram, guys, I do have my Amazon storefront, which I do have it under my link tree. So if you go to my bio, click on my link tree, you'll have links to my storefront. Just click on that to take you there, see the products that I love using, to my Etsy shop, and to my YouTube channel, and along with my, what were we talking about? Oh, my template website, yes. Scattered brain right now. So anyways, I will chat with you guys later. All right, bye.